Hello everyone, this is Stefan Schreibeis, the Superintendent of Glendale Public Schools. Just coming to you from our auditorium where we just had a speaker here to talk about suicide with our middle school and high school students. This topic is very important to us and vital that we get information out. And just like at the very end of this, I talked with the students about, this isn't a topic that is easy to talk about. It's a difficult topic to talk about, but one that really needs to be talked about. There's a lot of people struggling around us, and we need to know information on that, but more importantly, the application to that information. Excuse me. And so that's what we're trying to do. We're trying to take a step forward. We're trying to do things to increase what we already do in our district to kind of help give the supports that we need for our students. And this is something that we can't do on our own, and we really need the community to kind of step up and help us. And right now you can see that there's a parent group that has started on Facebook. I highly recommend you look into that and hopefully see what to do moving forward. We're going to be getting information out to parents excuse me, as to what we do. We do a lot in our schools already, but we really want to put it in a situation where we're doing more as well. Like I said, we care about our students and we want what's best for them, but we don't know exactly what to do, and I have no problem saying that. We know that we need to do things, and we're going to try to care for them, and we're going to try to give them the supports that they need. Unfortunately, we aren't a mental health facility. We do have things in place to try to help with that, and we're going to try to increase this as much as we can, but we do, like I said, need your guys' help to help support. The biggest thing is, parents, I need you to talk with your kids. It's vitally important that you have conversations with your kids. One thing I learned last year was, I'm all about trying to add value to people and value to our students, and I really feel like that's why our district exists. But I learned that adding value isn't everything. Adding value is caring for people, loving on people. But if they don't feel valuable themselves, adding value only helps a little bit. We have to find ways to get people to feel valuable. And so please talk with your kids. Talk about this topic with them. This assembly is a good starting point to have that conversation tonight. Ask them how the assembly went, what they thought of it. We're trying to revamp and get better every single time we do something. So, take that information in, but use it as a starting point to talk with them. Get them to talk openly about it. Get them to talk to you about their value. Do they see value in themselves? What is their confidence level? Are they confident doing the things that they're doing? Do they have coping skills to deal with the struggles? Because we all deal with struggles in life, but we need to be able to have coping skills to get through those struggles. And so I urge you to have that conversation. In our district, we have this program called ACT. It stands for Acknowledge, Care, Tell. And each kid, middle school through high school, has a card. Some got it last year. They should all have it this year. And on it, it's about acknowledging what's going on. So if their friend comes up to them, acknowledge what's going on. Sit side by side. Make sure they understand that you're hearing them. Not saying, yeah, I deal with struggles too. Don't make it about yourself. Make it about them. Listen to them. Hear them. And then that caring. That C is caring, and so we want to care for them, and there's lots of ways to show that. But that third piece, that T, the tell, is the most vital, and it's the one that gets often missed. A lot of people think that this person's good just because they had a conversation with them. That's not it. Encourage that person to tell someone else. If they won't, then it's our job to tell others because we care about them. And so we're really encouraging them to do that, telling an adult, telling someone, so that we can get people the help that they need. There's a lot of good statistics out there about how important it is to do that. And on the back of these cards is the suicide hotline, also a crisis text line that they can text anytime that they want to. And so there's information on there as how to get help. There's the Key Club starting this hashtag Let's Talk app that they're trying to bring to Glendive with safe spaces. They're working with other people in the community. The parent groups get involved. There's lots of different people trying to get this thing going, and so there's lots of things that we're trying to do as a community to try to help, and so I ask that you get involved. But I just wanted to come and let you know kind of what's going on, and let you know that we're going to have these conversations moving forward, and we just really appreciate your guys' support and help with everything that we do, and it's really important to get the same message out there. So I'll be posting the ACT process later in another post, but I just wanted to come to you and just tell you what we did today with our assembly. So thank you, and let us know if we can be of help in anything. And this is Stefan Schreibeis reminding you to be kind and love like crazy.